I like to doubt myself, and that is why I'm Hi guys, how's it going? I'm super pumped for today. I'm starting a new job and it's something I've wanted to do for like maybe 4 years since I finished college. It's a little bit further away from home, which is fine because it's worth it in the end. They are going to train me to become a dog groomer and I'm so pumped. I literally cried on the phone when they said I got the job. Hopefully, fingers crossed, all goes well. For the first time in forever, I'm not really that nervous. I'm kind of chill. Maybe having the week off before changing jobs really helped and my mental stability, maybe. But you know, I don't know how it's going to go. I think it's just documents this morning because it's the first day and looking through my contract. I'm full on caffeine. I'm ready for the day. Also, side note, it is 9:45 AM and it's 23 degrees. I know in the UK it's summer, but, well, coming up to summer, but I'm not used to this heat. So it's going to be a hot one. Apparently we're going to get a heat wave this week. So, you know, it's going to be scorcher. And also, a positive thing of this job, I literally spend my day with dogs and I'm so excited. So update, it is now 6 PM and it's still boiling. I have just finished work and it was pretty much the best day. I groomed a little puppy and it was so fluffy. It was a toy poodle. Most of the day was just documents and they're so nice. They literally just gave me a cake and a card to welcome me and it was just really lovely. I just can't wait to continue, honestly, because I really bloody loved it. So I'm gonna drive home with all this traffic without dying from this heat, but good first day. Just finished work on Tuesday. It's 29 degrees and I regret not bringing sunglasses. I had another great day at work. I really feel like I'm gonna enjoy it. Everyone's super nice. I look like a lobster today. I am so tired. Yesterday I got home, had dinner, and then literally went to bed at 8 PM. I was gone. But positive things that happened today. So when becoming a dog groomer, I'm at like the assistant level at the minute, and it's only day 2, but I've possibly signed off 3 types of prepping the dog for the actual groomer to groom, and looks really good. I'm really happy because I'm starting off strong and hopefully it continues. I want to be a dog groomer so bad, so getting them signed off early is a little bit of an advantage, because I'd love to do it self-employed. It's a really good way of getting experience through my job. Also, everyone at work literally wears no makeup and they look great. If I wear like nothing and don't do my eyebrows, I look like a potato. Also, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna post on my YouTube channel yet. I'm kind of just going with the flow. I'm also just trying to not be so nervous in front of the camera, because that's what I was like with my first video. I was just like, oh my god. But I'll get there. I really want to be more confident with the camera, and I also want to get myself an actual handheld camera, to be more arty-farty with it and not always like use my phone or my webcam. But I suppose it's just a starting point with my phone. But we will see what happens. I really want to do like challenges with like my family on my YouTube. I think it will be really fun and interesting, because my family is nuts. The sun is not fun. I left and it was 30 degrees, now it's 26, so it's going down a little bit. This air is not helping at all. It's like someone's just like on me, and that's it.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Good afternoon. It is lovely and sunny in the UK today. I am about to take packages to, well, first I'm going to get boxes for the packages, because I sold some stuff on eBay, and then I need to deliver them packages because I haven't got to it previously because I have been working, and I've literally just fell asleep when I got home. I recorded a little bit before, like me eating breakfast, etc., but I don't think I'll put that in because it's cringy as fuck. Posting packages. I want to do some of this assignment that I've got to do. Is on it. There's more things on the list, and I just made it. Get petrol. That is the most important thing right now. Packages, petrol, and assignment. Right. I remember what I was going to talk about. So it's been like a week since I've been at this job. I'm still liking it. I'm just gonna see what happens, because I doubt myself, and that's why I tend to not like jobs. But because they're training me up, I need to put more confidence in myself and what I'm doing. But it's only the first week, so hopefully I'm alright. I just need to chill out and not push myself, but not push myself too hard. Then I'm like scaring myself to do more. But thumbs up for the first week, because it was good. Now, get stuff for the packages. Okay, so I got my boxes for my packages. I also got some labels to put on the boxes. And then I went into PC World to see what their cameras were like. I want to get a tripod and stuff. But yeah, if I did get a camera, I'd probably go to PC World. Better because I can go in, look at them, have a feel of them. Sounds weird. And instead of like ordering them online, and I don't know what they're like. Amazon was amazing for getting all sorts of rubbish and good stuff. I really want a Nikon or a Canon. That's what I've been looking at. But I also want, it's more expensive, but it's where the screen is a flip, so you can see yourself in it. Bit of a narcissist, but I can see if it's zoomed in on my face. I know, I just like them better. I'll put pictures here of the cameras that I'm looking at on Amazon, because they're at an alright price if I saved up for them. Like, I don't want a fancy dancy camera, I just want a start me out camera, but not like a 20 quid one that has decent effects to it. It's like good quality, but a good start out camera as well. I've been so tired lately from my job, because it's very hands-on, and you're on your feet all day, which is good. Possibly helped me to lose a bit of weight, but I've been sleeping a lot. When I was my old job, I was like starting in the evening, so I'm not used to these early mornings, but I don't mind waking up early. Job. Nice music. You know what, while you're here, close the window. I'm going to end the video here. Like if you like the video, and subscribe for the best content on the YouTube. Sure thing. See you next time.